歡迎收睇美國之音製作嘅美國專訊，我係任敬揚。唔係有一啲國家扮演國家領導人，可能隨時要坐監。咁但係喺保障言論自由嘅美國嚟講呢，情況就剛好相反啦。咁喺華盛頓，一名長相好似奧巴馬總統嘅男子，仲經常應邀公開出席活動添。下面係我哋記者布羅克嘅報道。
奧巴馬總統嚟到華盛頓郊外阿靈頓嘅呢一家酒店，到一個環保組織嘅年會上發言。等陣，呢個唔係奧巴馬總統本人，而係好似奧巴馬總統嘅格雷福斯。
I want to thank the Environmental Information Association for having me here today. Now I understand this is your 30th anniversary, so congratulations.
法雷爾話：當格雷夫斯走近會議室嘅時候，佢真係呃到人啦。
It's really astonishing how close he actually is. His mannerisms, the way that he speaks, actually his hair, the whole package.
為咗包裝得更似總統，仲請咗2個保鏢，鮑德溫就係其中嘅一個。佢保衛格雷夫斯已經有5年啦。
People have actually come up to me and asked, "Is that really the president?" Like really, people have asked me that question. So I've had fun with it, and I just didn't say anything.
好多人想同格雷夫斯合照，蓋勒就係其中一個。
I just sent this picture of myself and Mr. Obama back home, and I've gotten about 25 text messages regarding my meeting with the president.
對呢啲人嚟講，呢個恐怕係佢哋一生之中最接近總統嘅時候。
I voted for you. Well, that's a good thing.
菲茨傑拉德仲特意同格雷夫斯講環保方面嘅問題。
I was thinking, what would it be like if this was the real president?
格雷夫斯對人喺知道佢唔係總統嘅情況下，以呢種方式打交道感到驚訝。
I find it slightly incredulous that people do come up to me with such reverence, with such respect.
格雷夫斯係喺奧巴馬當選總統嘅第1任期間開始以總統替身出現嘅。佢嘅第一職業係喺小學裏邊做臨時體育老師。呢啲小學生唔知道佢哋嘅體育老師嘅呢個課外活動。呢個時候佢哋正在睇格雷夫斯模仿奧巴馬嘅錄像。一開始大家以為真係喺度睇有關奧巴馬總統嘅錄像。
It looked like our gym teacher, but it was really hard to tell. It's looked just like Obama. It feels like I'm getting taught by a famous gym teacher.
格雷夫斯用一啲化妝品使自己更似奧巴馬。佢將眉毛畫得更黑，將嘴唇嘅顏色亦加深，並且仲點上奧巴馬特有嘅字。而另外喺頭髮上，佢仲要做一啲染色，並且要盡量向前梳。佢話特別花時間要學奧巴馬講話嘅樣。
We do not give up.
除咗面部相似之外，格雷夫斯話佢同奧巴馬仲有一啲相似嘅地方。
We're about the same size, body size. We're both left-handed. We both like basketball.
格雷夫斯到目前為止仲未見過奧巴馬，希望有一日能夠同佢喺籃球場上一比高下。記者布羅克報導。
美國好多高中生諗住未來喺大學讀醫或者法律，咁但係亦有人選擇專業中學學一技之長，例如烹飪、建築以及汽車維修，以方便未來選擇工作。下邊係我哋嘅記者艾爾馬斯利嘅報導。
維莫熱愛烹飪，佢繼承咗佢媽媽同埋嫲嫲嘅烹飪天才。
Sort of inspired me more to become a better cook or a better chef overall.
維莫喺學校度可以親身體驗專業廚房嘅感覺。
New ideas and different ways to do things.
其他嘅學生同佢一樣，邊學邊做。
When I first came in here, I didn't really know different cooking methods like sautéing and stuff.
餐廳管理課程嘅學生正喺度做沙律。廚師史密斯係佢哋嘅老師。佢鼓勵學生大膽嘗試。
We try to make as much as we can from scratch. I also want them to have good basic skills. It includes kitchen math, converting recipes from smaller quantities to larger quantities. I want them to have good knife skills. We also stress safety and sanitation.
李偉拉想當西點師傅，佢希望喺大型嘅餐廳式廚房裏邊工作。
Not other high schools have this.
學校發言人威爾遜話：佢哋嘅課程吸引咗其他高中嘅學生。呢啲外校學生乘巴士嚟呢度上堂。
We have 18 different programs.
其中包括訓練應考職業護理證書嘅課程、維修汽車車身嘅課程、護髮護膚嘅美容課程等等。
The students learn about chemistry, anatomy and physiology. They work with real live clients.
記者再次返到廚房嗰陣，沙律已經準備好啦。
Today we prepared 5 different salads. I made the pasta salad, the pasta gazpacho salad, which is a pasta salad with gazpacho, which is a cold tomato soup, basically as the dressing over the it's pasta salad with olives, onions, tomatoes, peppers, salt, pepper, a little bit of white wine vinegar.
到試食嗰陣，同學之間互相評判。
Sort of learn different things about, what you should have done differently. For example, with my dish, a lot of the kids were saying that I should add a little bit more vinegar.
呢度嘅學生就係咁學以致用，日益接近自己嘅夢想。記者艾爾馬斯尼報導。
多謝收睇美國針製作嘅美國專訊，我係任敬揚，下次嘅節目時間再見。